welcome to Sour recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to do sweet sour prawn. Let's get started. I have here around 400 grams of prawns. So I'm going to add here 1 spoon of all-purpose flour and 1.5 spoon of cornstarch flour, little bit salt, half spoon of white pepper, white yolk. I'm going to marinate this. So it's done now. Let it set for a while. Okay, I'm going to on the stove. I'm going to add some oil to fry the prawns. If the oil heat comes up. Okay, now ready to add. Now it's ready to remove the prawns because we can't keep the prawns very long because the moist will release the moist and the texture will be hard. So while we like this, I'm going to use the same oil to cook the other vegetables. So I'm going to remove some oil, excess oil here. Now here 6 garlic and 2 leaves of ginger, saute them. Little salt, very little salt because we already adding in the prawns and all the other sauces already have salt. So be careful when you're adding the salt and adding the carrots. Adding the baby prawns. Sometimes I'm not comfortable with certain spoons, so I like to change. So it's up to you. Be comfortable with your spoon and the pan and everything. So adding the tomato, cauliflower, Holland Onion. Simmer them for a while. Now I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of sugar, soy sauce 1 teaspoon, oyster sauce 1 spoon, chili sauce 1 spoon, fish sauce 1 spoon, a bit of pepper again. Then I'm adding in the prawns. The fish. Stir it. I'm adding some vinegar. Let it cook for a while. I like to eat my vegetables 60%. That's it, it's done. It's ready to eat. I'm going to serve it now. Very nice and very nice fragrance. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sour recipes and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.